Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how to get shift lock on Roblox mobile. So first up, open your Roblox on your mobile device. And then here, for example, I'm going to select any experience. So we can try to get shift lock. So for example, here, I'm going to select one. So for example, I'm going to open this GL Tycoon. Right? So going to click on the play button. And we're going to wait for a few seconds here. And then once done, as you can see, you're now on the Gel Tycoon. So what you're going to do now is tap on the Roblox icon right there at the top left hand corner of your screen. And then go to your settings. Now to get shift lock, make sure that your camera mode is set to classic. So once you enable this classic, then you can get shift lock on mobile. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.